time for the Intense 5. Ash soon come back to help me out here. So Adin, let me hear the numbers. Riri is now officially a billionaire. Oh my goodness. Her Savage Fenty line took her to the exclusive club. But on a serious note, where's the album, girl? Like, anytime soon? Come on. Riri just about that money, man. I love it. So, who cut off the young lady's locks while she was in lockup? We are waiting on the truth to come out. But in the meantime, everyone has come out in her defense. Chief Richard Curry, Chronix, Taurus, you name it, they have posted it. So what does Instagram do to the fastest woman in the world? Block her. After she attempted to post the races she won. It's okay, she was there, so it go. But you know, big up yourself, Elaine Thompson Hero. You are amazing. Adam Stewart, you deserve to be in the Intense 5 because what you're doing for athletes is quite intense. Vacations for everybody who medal, no sir. World's best for the world's best. I love it. Look here, it look like me need for start train. Hurdles, long jump, something. And finally holding the spot this week. Big up to all the athletes representing in Tokyo. But you see Megan Tapper, your energy is infectious. It's unmatched, literally. You had all of Jamaica and Nicki Minaj smiling. Congrats on your medal, girl. Look here, man, you more than deserve it. And just girl to the world. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on TVJ Intense for the latest in everything. Up next, Chris Martin talks new music. We soon come.